Do you also believe that the paleo diet is the healthiest choice? Well, recent research is challenging that belief. Today's paleo diet is often seen as the best way to return to the healthy eating habits of our ancestors. The idea behind it is that early humans didn't have agriculture and couldn't process grains, so their diet should primarily consist of meats, while avoiding modern foods like grains and legumes. However, a recent study suggests that this view might be a bit off. Scientists, by analyzing tools used by ancient humans, found that early Stone Age people didn't just eat meat, they also consumed grains, legumes, and various plants. The study shows that these early humans not only hunted animals like mice and birds, but also ate grasses, nuts, and even grains like wheat, oats, rye, and buckwheat. One key finding of the research is that early humans used tools such as stone hammers and anvils to process plant-based foods, clearly showing that they processed grains and legumes. This evidence supports the idea that their diet was much more diverse than previously thought. In fact, this eating pattern is much closer to the modern Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes plant-based foods, moderate animal products, and low-fat or non-fat dairy, and can be adjusted according to cultural preferences and individual tastes. This study suggests that the rigid paleo diet may not fully reflect the true eating habits of early humans. In fact, incorporating grains and legumes into our diet might actually be a healthier option for modern people. Looking for a healthier way of eating? Try Mediterranean diet products from iHerb. Don't forget to use discount code BCW3191. Click the link in the description to enjoy your special offer.